Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are well and having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those projects to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm here with another great project to share with you all from which you can get a lot of earning. You can increase your earning, the amount, you can increase the value of your amount. So let's move to our site. Let's know more about the project. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so here I am with another great project that is Dolphin Coin. Dolphin Coin is currently in their private sale phase and you can grab their tokens. I will let you know how you can buy the tokens, but later on, let's review the website first. So Dolphin Coin is the first hydropower project and we have link to buy token here as well. And then we have their white paper. We'll definitely go through their white paper. So they held an Amy section in which they introduced their project and they answered everything about the project. So you can watch this video on the website, and of course you will find all the things regarding the project, and you will find everything. If something is in your mind about the project, or if you have any queries, so you will definitely get answers by watching this video. Here you can see that the development team underscores the importance of the issue as most cryptocurrencies and major market leading currencies use the proof of work system. And these currencies still have the most potential of mining. So Dolphin Coin will be the driving force behind the supply of clean energy to mining all the currencies that benefit from the proof of work process. Here they have mentioned the features they are providing. New mining system Dolphin Coin has emerged based on the development and establishment of a new type of mining farms and believes that in the not too distant future, all mining farms should have their own direct energy supply system. Decentralized and leading of its kind, official coin for the use of project services, confirmed contract address of Binance Smart Chain, then powerful and self-sufficient network in the field of mining, and then use of world-class industry in the project, and futuristic of globalization. So you have all of their features here, and then we have the token sale details. They have mentioned what they have reserved for private sale, public sale, and for burning process, etc. And we have token details here. The name of the token is Dolphin Coin, their symbol, decimal, total supply, and yes, we have their official contract address. I will let you know that how you can manually add this token in your Trust wallet. So you must have to watch the complete video to know how you can buy and how you can add the token. Here we have the ratio of the token distribution. You can see that for private sale, they have reserved 3%, and then for public sale, 40%. Token burning is for token burning, they have reserved 30%, and final supply in 2025 will be 27%. All right, so here we have white paper of the project. You can download this white paper from their website and you must have to go through it. So you will find everything about the project, detailed information and the vision about the project and what is the idea behind this. So marketers create white papers to educate their audience about a particular issue or explain and promote a particular methodology. A white paper is a report or guide that informs readers about a complex issue and presents the issue body's philosophy. So here you have a link to download the white paper and you can go through it. We'll definitely check it later on. And now we have Dolphin Coin Roadmap. Great thing that we should have their every project roadmap on the website, so we know that what they have planned for their investors and for the project growth. So here you can see that they started a start of the private offering phase, and then the second start advertising and community growth, then reaching the community win 10,000 members and 5,000 holders and start of the public offering phase, then listing in centralized exchanges and reach a trading volume of 1 million USD, then reaching 50,000 holders and trading volume of 10 million USD. Start of the final stage of establishing renewable energy supply centers. And then burn 30% of the total token amount. So you have the roadmap mentioned on their website, and you can check everything on the website. You have all details mentioned here. Okay, so here you can see that hydroelectric power system they have. Hydroelectric power systems are one of the clean energy supply systems through water, and in these systems they use water pressure, current intensity and temperature difference to supply energy. Then the Otic power supply system is one of these systems that uses the difference in the ocean water temperature for this purpose. And this system is fully responsible for powering and mining farm, and I will supply up to 10 megawatts of electricity, and investment in it will be acceptable. So here we have some of the frequently asked questions. Of course, if you have something in your mind, if you are still not satisfied, so you can go through these questions and you will definitely get your answers. What is the Dolphin Coin project? So Dolphin is an energy supply project for the mining of digital currencies using the hydropower system. That what is and then what is an OTIC system and how does it work? Is it possible to power a mining farm with an OTIC system? Then where in the world is it possible to set up an OTIC power supply center, etc.? What wallets do Dolphin supports? Yes, the best thing you should have in your mind. So Dolphin Coin is in all wallets that supports Binance Smart Chain Network, can be added and hold it. So you can use either MetaMask or Trust Wallet, whatever wallet you prefer. All you have to do is and that wallet must support Binance Smart Chain Network. Okay, so we also have the contact details of Dolphin Coin. You can easily submit a form if you have any query. Plus, we have their social channels. You can follow them on their social channels, and it's must to follow them on their social channels. So, of course, you will be notified about all the things happening in their project as soon as they will start their public phase and their listing, etc. And yes, of course, if you have anything in your mind or you want to get in touch with the team, so you can get in touch with the team on Telegram and you will be responded quickly. Then we have their Twitter account, their Discord, Facebook, etc. So it's better to follow them on their social channels, so you will be getting all the notifications and all the updates of the project on time. So here we have Twitter account of Dolphin Coin. Let's follow them here and we will be updated about the project. Here we can see the recent tweets. Hi crypto world, we are happy to give you the good news of introducing one of the best cryptocurrency projects in the world. So here we have the white paper of the great project Dolphin Coin and how can all right, so here we have the white paper of Dolphin Coin and how can we miss the white paper? This is a great project and we must have to go through the white paper, know what the idea is behind the project, and here you can have all of the information, detailed information about the project, their introduction, their idea, their concept, how they started, etc. So here you can see that in this article tries to comprehensively explain the purpose of Dolphin Coin project. The foundation of cryptocurrency market was established as a currency and it's now the first cryptocurrency in this market. We all know Bitcoin, which was founded and introduced in 2009. Within a few years after the introduction of Bitcoin, many projects were introduced and entered the market that were technically very similar to Bitcoin. Then a blockchain based on proof of work process Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dashcoin, Zcash, Ethereum Classic, Moron, and etc. In early 2021, Bitcoin was severely criticized, leading to a drop in its price and a sharp decline in the entire cryptocurrency market. The problem of excessive energy consumption by miners and supplying this energy from non-renewable sources. Then environmental pollution and the high cost of this type of energy supply system and the issues that still involved the cryptocurrency mining industry. Many governments have difficulty mining cryptocurrencies because of these issues and the industry's main weakness, which is excessive energy consumption. While these currencies are the main base of the market and the most well-known cryptocurrencies, their weakness can still not be ignored. The solution of the problem must include two main parts. The one is number one is that the energy used to mine cryptocurrencies must come from the renewable sources, and the second is the cost of energy supply for mining must be economical in a way that is cost effective for miners. So, Dolphin Coin is a project that has been established and implemented to solve the problem of supplying energy from renewable sources. A renewable energy supply system fully powerful in terms of power and economically optimized. Renewable energies are divided into several types and have different types including wind system, solar system and hydropower system. Wind and solar system have disadvantages that are not suitable for use due to their seasonality and inability to supply energy on a large scale. While hydroelectric systems, which are divided into several categories, have an extraordinary ability to supply energy. Dolphin Coin project system uses ocean thermal energy conversion in the OTIC system for short. This system is unique in that it uses the heat of solar radiation absorbed by ocean surface water to move the power supply. This ocean are a huge source of solar energy. So you know that they have mentioned each and everything, that what are the problems in crypto mining and how they have got all the solutions for this, and what they are providing, on what system they are working, everything we have on their white paper. So this system has two completely exclusive features. The first feature is that the ability to supply energy on a large scale from 10 megawatts to 100 megawatts. Then the second feature is the ability to supply energy without a time limit and permanently. But in Dolphin Coin project, the OTIC system has been optimized and made more than 10 times more powerful. And that is a great thing with the use of nanotechnology. The ability to absorb heat from sunlight and ocean surface water, as well as the power of this system, is to supply energy has been multiplied. The overall cost of building an Arctic energy supply center has been cut by more than half, and the time to build a power plant has reached a quarter. The overall cost of maintaining the facility and the center has been reduced. Much less people are needed to operate this system. So you can see how they have maintained everything, and they are giving more than 10 times powerful network to us, and they're working on nanotechnology. Of course, you have everything mentioned here. The system was first invented and introduced by Dolphin Coin. Financially, the project appears to be profitable and unreliable for the investors and fundamentally for the project. And the native token of the project will play a major role in the project financial system, of course. So Dolphin Coin has three main features in the project financial system. Number one is token is peer-to-peer payment system, a way to transfer money between the project and project service users. And the second thing is the token is a good capital for investors and holders. You know, they are working for a good cause. This is a great project. This is a great cause to work. So of course the token will increase its value. And then the third thing is the token is considered as a participatory system in the project. Any token holder who owns more than 5% of the token holders and has the desired conditions for cooperation from the point of view of the project, development team can apply to join the main team if they wish. The conditions for joining the project team are to have any points that from the point of view, the main team help to advance the project faster and with better quality. So you can even be the part of their main team. All you have to do is to hold the minimum amount of what they have given. You have to hold at least 5% of the total token. So now investment security, making profit by investing. Of course, every holder, every investor, if you're investing in anything, so you need the security on the first place. And the Dolphin Coin project is designed in such a way that the progress and work of the project is endless. And this project will always be developing in the true sense. The reason of the claim is that the mining of cryptocurrency is endless, and for mining always requires a project that is like a main base of energy supply and is designed in such a way that the cost of energy supply is economical for miners and work professionally for this industry. So investing in the project will mean having the role of energy supplier, and the current profit from this work will be returned to the investors. Then you have all of the details that we have already checked on the website, that 3% of the tokens will be offered in the private offering phase, then 40% of the tokens will be offered in the public offering phase, and 30% of the tokens will be used for burning when the first energy supply center is built. Then here you can see that 27% of the tokens will be released to the crypto market in 2025. Until then, this inventory will be locked. So the goal of the team is to try to expand the world for its part. And we believe that progress and expansion to emerge and to achieve results in safe, simple, and purposeful ways. And successful require great ideas and courage to. So this way we will do our best and you can be part of this best team. We believe in building a better, richer and more advanced world. And that faith gives us the courage and motivation to move and act, and that is all we need for a good life. So here we have had the white paper in which we got all of the information, detailed information about the project and how they started and what they have made the solutions for the problems, and how their project and the governance token of the project Dolphin Coin is profitable to their investors. All right, so now let me tell you that how you can buy your favorite token, Dolphin Coin. Of course, this will be your favorite coin in coming days. So let's move. And first of all, we have to add the token. All right, so let's copy the official contract address of Dolphin Coin right from here.
and just paste the address here and go for add custom token. Make sure to change your network to Binance Smart Chain and paste the address here, and we are done. Okay, now you have to go to dApps and Pancake Swap. Make sure again to set your network to a smart chain. Alright, so here you have to connect to wallet and you can swap your BNB for Dolphin coin. Import the token. Just paste the address here and import Dolphin coin. And you can swap your BNB for how much coins you want, how much Dolphin coins you want. Just enter the amount of BNB and you can swap it for Dolphin coin, and the Dolphin coin will be sent into your wallet.
All right, so this was our project for today, and I know. All right, so this was our project for today, and I have shared the tutorial that how you can buy the token. And I really want you all to please go through the website. I'll share the link in my description. You must have to check out the project by yourself, do your research, and you will definitely gonna love this project, and then you can invest in it. They're currently in their pre-sale phase, and you can buy from their pre-sale, and you know that the token has a huge potential to increase the price, and you will definitely get a lot of benefit by investing in this project. So I hope you like the website. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.